I will try to repair this crack in the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The cameras are also not working, but the digitizer here, the display, the touch screen, it works in this part. I have this glue I found that is made for glass, especially I made another video trying to do a test, and it's UV activated, so that means there is a good chance that it's actually working. This is how the screen looks like. In this light you can see it better how bad it is, how from here this impact. I'll try to clean this part from the tape and replace it with this clear glue, and then use the sunlight to cure the glue there. So there is some damage on the screen there, and on white I think it's gonna show most of it. You see there under this, you see the bit of green tint, that's gonna stay there, it's not gonna go away. There is always a chance that I could make it worse. I'll do this movement smoothly and like this horizontally a little bit, so I don't pull any of the pieces of glass out and up. Hopefully some of the pieces of glass will come out with the tape. I overlapped them a little bit there, so I have to carefully pull it. Okay. I want as many pieces of glass as possible on this to make sure that I remove the pieces that are not necessary to have there. This one is a used one, but I will try to press it in. This one is stronger. Now I will spray the cloth here. That's how it looks like without the tape. And here it's a bit scratchy here. Okay. I will put a generous amount. Okay. This is the clear film. This is where I'm interested here. And I will use this squeegee to move this glue around under and press it down really. I need these cracks to be filled. I'm not sure, but I think some of these, they seem to be better. Keep pressing, yeah, some of them are gone. So some of these cracks are filled. Now I'll try to really work the glue in before it gets dry. I was trying to work it in. I think my finger works better than the squeegee for this. This might actually work. I can use the squeegee to bring the glue closer. I bring it closer there and then start with the finger. Yeah, this crack here, it's almost gone. Wow, it's working. Okay. I really press it in really hard. Not too hard. No need to break the screen, but this looks much better than before. I think you would agree with that. There's just one here, one piece that doesn't want to go away. Not to go away, but to merge with the background. So I bring the glue again closer and squeeze it. Well, I think I got that part also. Oh, okay. squeegee. I would never be able to use super glue with this. The super glue would get dry so quickly, but this stays. You can still see the cracks, but it doesn't have that lots of damage look here. So I'll take it in the sun and let it cure. This is UV activated. This glue is UV activated from what I see from the instructions. It's still soft and like oily. Okay, the phone has been sitting outside in the sun for a whole day, maybe a day and a half actually, and then sitting inside for a few days, almost a week. First I'll use the scraper to remove the glue, and hopefully I will not have to reapply glue again, but probably I might have to. But this looks really good. I'll try to power on the phone actually. I'll turn off the lights so you see better. This is where the display, the actual display is broken. There are some pixels here are damaged. Yeah, so there is not much to do about these pixels, but it's only a small part of the screen. And in the bright light here, it doesn't even really show at all. Anyway, I'll try to remove it. Wow. Okay. Still kind of uneven here, but the surface is pretty good. Okay, that's the part here I want to scrape, and I'll try now. Oh, it's coming out. Okay. The scraper works pretty well. Wow, this looks like it might actually work. Okay, the glue didn't really feel much of these parts, but what I wanted is that there is a nice even layer here, and it's happening here. There's all this broken area is covered by glue. Aligning the camera, most important, and the edges. Camera looks centered, so I'll drop it. And that doesn't fix it. It's still the same there, so I have to lift it. Put a drop there. Drop the screen protector. It looks like it might work, but I have to put glue on all the surface everywhere. We will see. Oh, I broke it. Okay. Oh, there's glass everywhere now. Wow. Okay. Okay, I might apply just a bit of glue there. I could try. With all the bubbles. Oh, broken. Move too fast. Pretty useless, this thing. I'll do it again like before. I'll put the foil here, but this time I will not really care about the other places, only this area here, and then later I'll find a way to polish this. I think I should find a way to just simply polish the glue. And I will leave it a few days to dry again. Okay, another few days. It was sitting 2 whole days in the sun, and I'm still not sure about this glue, how it works. And I tried to buy more glue, I couldn't find it anymore. So this is gonna be probably the last time I try this glue. I'm gonna try another one. Let's see how that goes. I wanna see how this. It looks pretty good. If I could cover the whole surface in the glue, but you feel it, so it's not really okay. Maybe I made it worse here. I don't know. But when I scrape it, it's doing like this. It's doing this thing like that. This actually seems to be working. I can polish the glue. This looks like a pretty much of. It's not working, I think. The glue doesn't seem to go between the cracks, but it did fill the part here where it was all broken in small pieces. We'll see. I'm scraping along the lines here so I don't damage the glass under. And now I slide a little bit as I go. You slide horizontally to cut the glue. I don't want to remove it, I want to leave some behind. Okay, that's how it looks like so far. Okay, I was able to power on the phone, but the power button and the volume buttons are really hard to press. If I press really hard on the power button, it works. Volume up works, but volume down doesn't, so. And this is how the display looks like. Really, it feels like the glue maybe actually did something here. Don't know, there's a noise outside. So you can see these cracks there, but they are more smooth to touch. And it's only this part. You see this part here, there were pieces of glass everywhere, and now it's really transparent there. It's only this part here that still looks a bit funny, and you can see the cuts through there. So I'll try to level it a bit more and then try to polish this part to make it really great. I used a bit of spray, just simple spray, 90% simple alcohol, not isopropyl alcohol, pure alcohol, denaturated alcohol. And I'll spray a few times like this just to. This one you can hear it. And yeah, volume down starts to click also, so that's pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. So power button to turn it off. And now there are still some scratches on the surface, but it's nothing. and some parts of glue that I have to still scrape. I still have to remove this, but actually this looks pretty good now. On the camera there is one crack that goes exactly next to the camera, not really in front of it, so maybe the camera will be okay. And I'm trying to scrape this. I'm still not sure if those lines, they got any glue in them, but they feel more smoother. Let's see what happens if I try to wipe the glue more. Yeah, maybe this is a way to polish it also. A bit of alcohol and polishing. And then spray on the buttons also. Yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm not going to try to do more with it. I think this is enough now. I think this looks pretty good. I could try to put the screen protector on top, but I didn't like how the previous one went. And it doesn't look good, the screen protector. Screen protector is actually making the colors look weird, faded, so I'm not gonna use that. It was a low quality screen protector. If you have a hydrogel screen protector, or even better, the UV resin screen protectors that are, you apply the glass on top of a layer of glue, that will work much better. I don't have that. I could do that later, but still this looks pretty good. Much better than how it was before. It's good to keep the glass from coming out, and also pieces of glass, also any water or damage to the LCD, so you could actually continue to use the phone like this. You could put a screen protector on top of this to keep this from getting worse. I don't think this is worth to change the whole display. The display from AliExpress and in general the Chinese ones, they're low quality, they're not good, and the original display is pretty expensive. I saw €250, but it includes the battery, so yeah. If it gets polished even further with use, it's gonna look better a little bit, but it's already fine for me. Only that green dot there. That's it. Thanks for watching.